How to talk to a doctor in America. Doctor's visit English. Real-life American English conversation practice. Hi there. Welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you're going to learn how to talk to a doctor in the United States during a routine medical appointment. You'll learn how to describe symptoms, answer health questions, understand medical instructions, and speak confidently during a doctor's visit. These are real English phrases Americans use every day at clinics and hospitals. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat out loud with confidence. Let's begin. Arriving at the clinic. Good morning. Good morning, how are you today? I'm doing okay, but I haven't been feeling very well lately. I'm sorry to hear that. What brings you in today? I've been having headaches for about a week. I see. How often have you been getting them? Almost every day. Sometimes they're mild, but sometimes they get pretty painful. Have you taken anything for the headaches? Just ibuprofen, but it's not helping much. Okay, let's talk a little more about your symptoms. Talking about symptoms. Any other symptoms? Nausea? Dizziness? Fever? I've been feeling a little dizzy, actually, especially when I stand up too quickly. Okay, anything else? I've also been feeling tired during the day. Have you been sleeping well? Not really. How's your sleep lately? Not great. I've been staying up late a lot. About how many hours of sleep are you getting? Maybe 5 hours a night? That's probably not enough rest. Have you been stressed recently? Yeah, work has been really stressful. I understand. Stress and lack of sleep can sometimes cause headaches. Checking vital signs. All right, let me check your blood pressure. Okay, just relax your arm for me. Your blood pressure is a little high. Is that serious? Not necessarily, but it's something we should monitor. Have you been drinking enough water? Probably not. I drink a lot of coffee, though. Too much caffeine can sometimes make headaches worse. That makes sense. Do you exercise regularly? Not as much as I should. Okay, we'll talk about some lifestyle changes too. Blood test and medical advice. I'd like to run some blood work. Okay, what are you checking for? Just to rule out anything serious. We want to check your vitamin levels, blood sugar, and overall health. All right, do I need to fast for the blood test? Yes, don't eat anything after midnight tonight. Can I still drink water? Yes, water is perfectly fine. Good to know. When will I get the results? In about 3 days. I'll give you a call once we get them. Perfect, thank you. Talking about treatment. In the meantime, try to get more sleep, drink more water, and cut back a little on caffeine. Okay, I'll try. I'm also going to prescribe a medication for your headaches. Will it make me sleepy? It might cause a little drowsiness, so avoid driving if you feel tired after taking it. Got it. Should I take it with food? Yes, take it after meals. How often should I take it? Twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Okay, that sounds easy enough. Ending the appointment. Do you have any other questions for me today? No, I think that covers everything. All right, we'll call you once your test results come in. Thank you so much, doctor. You're very welcome. Take care of yourself and try to get some rest. I will. Have a great day. You too. Fast shadowing practice. What brings you in today? I've been having headaches for about a week. Are you taking any medications? Just ibuprofen, but it's not helping much. Any other symptoms? I've been feeling a little dizzy. How's your sleep? Not great. I've been staying up late. Let me check your blood pressure. It's a little high. I'd like to run some blood work. When will I get the results? In about 3 days. Do I need to fast for the blood test? Yes, don't eat anything after midnight. Okay, thank you, doctor. Amazing job today. Now you know how to speak naturally during a doctor's visit in America using real, everyday English. Medical English can feel difficult at first, but the more you practice real conversations like this, the easier and more natural it becomes. So keep practicing every day. Listen carefully, repeat confidently, and train your speaking like a native speaker. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more real American English conversations. Comment Dr. Dunn if you practice today, and tell me what lesson you want next. Pharmacy English? Airport English? Hotel check-in? Uber conversation? Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.